Hello, my name is Barbara Savin, and I am beyond grateful for the day that I met Christine. Our first coaching session together, Christine helped me to clarify my thoughts and identify what I needed to do to move forward. And you could say that she was a light at the end of my tunnel. And Christine was like a divine messenger sent to me to increase my courage and my confidence that my dreams as a host of my own radio show is achievable and that I was worthy of pursuing it. She is a gifted individual with a knowing and understanding to what is needed. I have felt so empowered and energized in her presence. And Christina is always positive, supportive, motivating, and her fun personality makes it so enjoyable to work and learn from her. She is one of the kindest persons that I know. And thank you so much, Christine, for pushing me into my big leap. Bye.